Yes, what's happening YouTube? I thought I'd just do a quick video, my first impressions on like a DIY remap. So basically I bought the actual tool to you know, flash the ECU, to read the ECU, and I found a company in Holland that basically you just send them your ECU file and they map it and send it back to you in an hour. I was a bit skeptical, a bit dubious, but honestly, like, damn, the results are positive, man. Honestly, I'll put the link obviously in the like the comments below and that. I'll put the link. But yeah, man, like, so I actually did it last night. I was a bit, you know, worried. It was a bit of a hack job, actually getting the ECU out, because I believe on my vehicle, because I've got the 2.0 Tsi Scirocco 2010, I believe with the ECU that I've got, you can't do it through the OBD port, so you basically have to plug it in, like, well, not plug it in, but you have to like take the ECU out physically, solder a wire, which comes with the actual program. It comes with the cable in. You got to solder a wire onto what's called a boot pin, and then obviously connect a couple of other wires with your power, and then it actually works. Yeah, man, I was scared, but as I said, man, the results are brilliant, man. I'm well happy with this, well happy. So yeah, man, so if any of you guys out there, you know, feel like confident, you know, you feel confident that you could, you know, take the ECU out yourself and do it yourself, mate, by all means, go ahead, man, it works. Anyway, as usual, subscribe, like, dislike, whatever. Yeah, see you later.